The first match of the Falcons Golden Jubilee T20 tournament, and we couldn't have asked for a better start. It was the last over finish between Herons and Amaya Sports, and it was the Amaya Sports who ended up in the winning side in the last over. We have with us Divya, who is the player of the match. Divya, hard luck on the result, but let's start with your batting. 87 runs of 55 balls, 11 fours and 3 sixes. Uh, you were almost in a zone, weren't you?
Yeah, because the wicket was quite good to bat on. It was a bad toss to lose because we also wanted to bowl because we knew that anything more than 120, 140, 150, it was chaseable. With the start that we got, I felt that we could have pushed on for more total, like for example 150, 160 in this kind of the start we got, and in that 6 overs that we got 42 runs with the bonus that we got. I think we were short of 10 runs. Talking about my batting, I've been in the form for quite a long time. I've been practicing a lot. I've been training a lot. I think my training has been helping a lot in this kind of to play this kind of formats. The strength training that I've been doing is immaculate. I think that's what is showing.
Well, the last match you played were also the finals of the previous T20 tournament, and you were on the winning side. Uh, Tell us about the little more about the pitch. How was it to bat on?
Yeah, this is kind of a wicket where the bounce is also good, and it also helps the bowlers if they bowl in the right areas, and also for batters there is no much of a turn, and you just can just blindly step out and go for your shots, and it's a very good wicket to bat on.
We did see a few lofted shots, and you were off to a good start with the ball. Monica Patel gave a couple of early breakthroughs. And what went wrong after that? The partnership between Veda Krishnamurthy and Nikki Prasad. Just give a brief about it.
I felt that we couldn't, bowl those dot balls, which was very important, and we were bowling those loose balls. It was not that good balls that went for boundaries or sixes or whatever. It was just that bad balls. It was which went for runs. So I feel that we as bowling unit has to bowl in one slot because the wicket is such that wherever you bowl, you go for runs. So you need to bowl those decent length and also see the batsman who's good at back foot and who's the good at front foot and bowl according to the batsman.
Well, you say that you were 10, 15 runs short. Still, in the last 4 overs, Heron Ameya needed almost 30 runs. And it came down to 12 of 12. And that's when the overthrows and misfields started to happen. Was it the nerves? Is the first match, or just
Yeah, it's actually the nerves. I think because we as team have been playing the first game, and we have just had one practice game. I mean practice nets, and we have four new players playing in the 11, which is new for us also. And we don't know what they bowl, what's the bowling attack, what the field set is, and how the game plan is. And I think with this, I got to know a clear idea of what they bowl, what the line they bowl, and how they want the field to be set, and they have a proper game plan. I think with a few meetings, I think we'll be there.
well, there are quite a few matches left in the tournament. Tough luck today, and good best wishes for the upcoming matches.
Thank you.
Cheers.